Channel Profit Sprint, day 2 of the challenge. And in day 2, she had us do exercise where we're looking for to get our channel ready, plus the buyer code cracked. Okay. Uh I did do that. I actually need to go back a few because I feel like you see right here, fast track planning shooting is complete. Was that was day 2? Was it? Yeah, because I knew I was missing. All right, this is day 2, but day 1 is now showing the videos. Okay, because my first video that I posted about Maria Gudelis. I'm sorry, Maria. I'm sorry. I might as well say Maria G. It says Gudelis, Chris. Gudelis. Gudelis. Okay, I'm trying to be fluid with the name. Maria Gudelis um has the recording right here from day 1. I was able to attend the 11 ES, well, Central, because this is EST. I was able to attend that for day 1. Dropped massive bombs there, so I went ahead and dropped my first video. So this is video 2 of the challenge, and I want to show you the form she had us fill out. I just submitted the form. So this is day 1 right here. What was this fast track? I want you to see me like clicking through all this. Um, I don't think I went through this yet. Yeah, I don't think I went through this yet. Let me check right quick. Yeah, I don't think I went through this yet. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see. I don't know if I. Okay. All right. Make a copy. Copy of YouTube research planning abundance analysis. Okay. Shoot, I must have missed this because entered the challenge. I entered the challenge with my offer in mind. Yeah, I must have missed this. Yeah, I missed this. Opening hooks. Okay, yeah, I missed this. Okay, guys, so don't miss it like I did and make a copy like I just did. Um, but that still didn't stop the fact that I learned something from Maria today on day 2 about being specific, even with my current offer that's about to go live October 20th. Okay, so I went ahead and took this right here. She had us using Claude. Okay, she had us using Claude. Here's the form that was part of the exercise, pretty much using Claude. She showed us how to like go about digging deeper using the Claude AI. And I went ahead and did that, and I was pretty surprised at who I served. I was pretty surprised. It was because initially it was very broad. I think it was very broad, but when I put the offer through this, well, first I put the this form through Claude and said, "This is the form from the training I'm attending. I am having trouble having trouble finding specifically who this serves and to find the avatar, okay, to be specific with the avatar. I think when I submitted, I forgot to give age. Yeah, I forgot to give age. So it's probably about, I would say, what I forgot to give, men in their 30s or 40s, even 50s. As I think that's what I did forget. But I do know this the more specific the better, because then it helps your content schedule. That's the point of all this. Helps your content schedule to attract the correct people to whatever offer that is, whether it's affiliate or your own. Okay, and in this case, I entered a challenge to attract customers of my own offer uh, through YouTube and using YouTube methods with Facebook and some Facebook assets as well, or yeah, Facebook real estate, cross promoting. And as you know, Facebook now, if you post content frequently, you do get pushed out. You get reach when you post content on Facebook. Even if you don't get engagement, people see your stuff. And these days, they also push your content to people that are not following you and people that will follow you. Usually, it'll make it to where you're only followable for certain layouts. I believe all Facebook profiles are not really created equal. They're like just not. I think. But anyhow, so this is about YouTube. So I went to Claude. Oh, that was another coaching call I did. Good people, good people. Where we at? I know I was in here. I went to Claude, and I just felt like when I went through the training to help find who am I serving. Initially, it was too like I know a lot of the people on my friends list. They would consider themselves folks that are help to their target of affiliate coaches and course creators. Okay, so I wasn't totally sure what I was getting at with these trainings as I did my motions because when I do trainings, I just do. I just do, guys. I that's why I said in the first training when YouTube just start. Okay, even when you think you don't have a clue, just start. But from all of that time of me developing the skill of what I currently know up to this point with YouTube, and now plus some, now Maria showed me some amazing stuff so that I'm not really stuck at so much the mercy of these kinds of videos. I mean, this will be a series of reviews going throughout her sprint. Um, but I was more so on the review specifically aspect. And I did add more context in this thread about it. And this is what it came to find out with the current course, with the knowledge base I popped in here. Okay, from all the video trainings of the current course. I was like 30 days. We got it down to 30 days. Like 30 days, like ideas of content. And it's showing on the fourth week to do call to action. I asked for it for short form and we'll chunk it. So I figured I could do that much. But when I looked at so remember that form I showed you guys? This form? When I looked at that form, oh goodness. Well, right here. It's like I confuse myself jumping through. I keep thinking this right here is another. It's right here. Okay, okay, okay. Man, everything's blending in. One big blend. Okay, so you already saw when I clicked through to day one, and you click right here in the members area. There are hyperlinks to the first day. So second day, we already recorded. She recorded 2 sessions. It's a lot of work. This woman can grind, boy. I tell you, this woman can grind. Um, she probably is gonna do 2 sessions all the way up till the end, which is awesome. Passionate about what she does, and I love how she does this. The way she has us engaging, and it was another great day. Yeah, I wanted now that we got back to the page, I wanted to show you with Claude said I like got lost. Let's go to the end of the thread. Not right there, 30-day content schedule. Okay, it was here's the form. No, not right there. Where's it at? Okay, what did I say? No, not that one. That's not it. That's not it. Yeah, this was interesting. I was getting I was just like tripped out at the stuff it was giving me. Slowly, like just slow. All right, here we go. Okay, promo. Yeah. This is what it came down to. I mean, it's more expanded than this, but I was really intrigued. I guess everything's blending in. Okay, it says my name, my email. Who do you serve? This is after it scanned my information. Obviously, I could add more to it. It needs to be edited, but it got pretty close. I felt that was the case. That what I was reading. It said affiliate marketers. Who's the person you serve? Affiliate marketers who run systematic product reviews campaigns and want to scale their YouTube presence with AI powered processes outside of just. I would put outside of just reviews and outside of just reviews at the end. That's what I would put. And what's three biggest pain frustrations? See, I wouldn't have think this through because I just do when I create trainings. And after it scanned all my videos, like I said, it said burning out their audience with constant promotions without rebuilding trust between campaigns. And the second ones were manually creating content for every promotion instead of having systematic, repeatable processes. Pain point three, struggling to build targeted YouTube subscribers and email lists that actually convert in affiliate offers. Now, I could get super duper even more specific and say for people in my age brackets, I'm 45. So, be like 35, 40, 50-year olds, 55-year olds, probably in that age range. I would say that that is roughly my age range currently, around that range. Even some 60-year olds, some older people. Um, so just like ChatGPT, I would just have to add to this. I can actually increase like update my sales page with all like because it just like ChatGPT and all the other ones, you can give it more, even more context to build out like your promotions through Claude or Chat GPT. But Maria was saying something about Claude that she felt had Chat GPT. I forget what it was specifically. She felt it just had it beat in its own right. So that's why I got back. I was on Claude initially. But for what she's got us doing, it's not totally necessary. It looks like it's not totally necessary to have the paying plan for Claude because I was able to get up to this point with what it was talking about, and that was pretty much it for this, guys. And so if you look into pick up Channel Profit Sprint from Maria Gudelis, is that her name right? Just go ahead and click that second link in the description. Okay. It will be the direct sales page, and I'm gonna tell you right now, when you do, you will be also getting my YouTube Shorts from long form review to YouTube Shorts framework for buyer intent traffic. What she is showing is evergreen style. Okay, and you know everybody knows. Well, most people. I would assume you know. Because even Claude said that they're fairly advanced. Apparently, that my target they're fairly advanced. And when it said that, I'm like, really? Is that the case? And then I gave it some thought, and I'm like, well, 15 plus years of doing this will do that. Now, granted, you would think there would be more success years out of my experience of the 15 plus years, but it was more failure than success out of the 15 plus years. I would say 2022 was the glimmer from the first product launch, then 2025. So yeah, there was a stagnant period there where something still just was not clicking, even though I knew I had a proven method with just launching. But I want, like, just for you, the same thing, where you're able to generate buyer intent subscribers with the proven content strategy around any offer, whether it's an affiliate offer or your offer. Okay, and being that Claude for me said, let's go into day two here. Being that Claude said what it said, I think I did this part right here. Yeah, yeah. I have to go. I have to look through. It's because you know what it is. It's because I'm in product review mode, and it's like it wasn't very easy to review this product. So, but like I said, she sold me on what she's doing and the the results that she's got for her clients, and I'm like, I guess it's time to do another blitz because from time to time I'll do a blitz. I guess you could say I'm technically been ongoing blitz mode, especially for my brother's channel. Um, I've been going like it's been easier to blitz with him because he just can come up with so much content off the cuff with improv with his little comedy. You know, it's not just playing the video game and people talking. It's him like not super sanitized Adult Swim comedy, but it's like the people that understand the humor back in our childhood are out there and they're showing themselves on his engagement. And on my end, it's not so much the engagement that they show. There are people that like the video, but I know that there were buyer views as opposed to like a vanity view or whatever. You know, hence why I've noticed in 2025 my affiliate promos sales have increased because I've been developing my YouTube framework with cross promoting to Facebook, my core Facebook group, and YouTube text posts. Okay, that way you don't have to create a video all the time. You can tap into your subscribers that way as well. Okay, so take that nugget. Okay, that's in my offer. I talk about it. Okay, which is the bonus when you pick up Channel Profit Sprint by Maria Gudelis for day 2. This concludes day 2 of the Channel Profit Sprint. I'll see you guys in day number 3. Woo! Let's get it. All right, let me stop the video. I have a lot of post production to do for this one and AI scans for the promotion and all that good stuff, which I talk about in the bonus. Yes, I do. You're gonna love it. Pick it up, guys. Alrighty. I'll see you guys in day number 3. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Peace.